To fix a washer that only uses hot water, you need to understand the common causes of this issue and the solutions to solve it. The first step is to identify the problem, which is usually indicated by the washer not using cold water or an increase in energy bills. One common cause is a faulty temperature selector switch, which can be replaced by purchasing a new switch and installing it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Another cause is a malfunctioning water inlet valve, which can be fixed by replacing the valve or cleaning any blockages in the valve. A third cause is a faulty water level switch or pressure switch, which can be replaced or adjusted to ensure the washer is using the correct water temperature. Additionally, a clogged cold water inlet filter can prevent the washer from using cold water, and can be fixed by cleaning or replacing the filter. To troubleshoot the issue, start by checking the washer's settings and ensuring that the cold water supply is turned on. Then, check the water inlet hoses for any blockages or kinks, and inspect the temperature selector switch and water inlet valve for any signs of damage. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to replace the faulty component or seek the assistance of a professional. Regular maintenance, such as checking and cleaning the water inlet filters, can help prevent this issue from occurring in the future. By following these steps and understanding the common causes and solutions, you can fix a washer that only uses hot water and ensure it operates efficiently and effectively.